The circulatory system is a crucial component of our body that plays a vital role in transporting blood, nutrients, oxygen, and waste products. Here's a concise overview for little ones to help them better understand its essential role. Key features of the circulatory system. 1. Heart. The heart is an impressive muscle that pumps blood throughout our bodies. It consists of 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. 2. Blood vessels. These are the fluid-filled tubes that carry blood. There are 3 primary types. Arteries. These large vessels carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart and deliver it to various parts of the body. Veins. These smaller tubes bring blood with high levels of carbon dioxide exhausted oxygen back to the heart. Capillaries. Even smaller tubes that connect veins and arteries, allowing for the rapid exchange of nutrients and oxygen between blood and cells. 3. Blood. Blood is composed of red blood cells RBCs, white blood cells WBCs, platelets pleats, and plasma the liquid component. How it works. 1. Blood flow. Blood constantly flows in and out of the heart through a continuous process called circulation. During this process, oxygen-rich blood is pumped from the right side of the heart to the entire body through the arteries. As it passes through the body, blood takes in nutrients and carbon dioxide, which leaves it when it reaches the left side of the heart. 2. Keeping your body healthy. The circulatory system is critical for keeping all parts of your body healthy and functioning properly. It effectively transports nutrients and waste away from your body, enabling it to maintain its integrity. Fun facts. The heart beats approximately 100,000 times in a day. The circulatory system could stretch around the Earth more than 2 times if all of its tubes were connected end to end. Understanding the circulatory system helps you gain a deeper appreciation for the vital role your body plays in ensuring your overall well-being. If you have any specific questions or want to learn more about the intricate workings of the circulatory system, please comment and ask.